blizzard. Well, the wind blowing. Back with another video, man. I'm gonna show y'all the oil pressure is real good. Actually, it's better than the last time, and the voltage is up there, so we ain't got to worry about that no more. Let me get out this cold, man. Yeah, like I said, the oil pressure is good. Since I fixed that oil leak, the oil pressure is actually better. But while I'm opening this door, man, why don't y'all subscribe for me? Subscribe, I really appreciate it. Trying to get my channel up. All right, now y'all, let's go up in here. And I'm coming to y'all from the garage, and I'm gonna show y'all how much oil pressure I got and voltage I got, because it's important to have good oil pressure and voltage, you know, for your motor in order to run properly. So I've noticed since I've been dealing with motors, man, well, what I noticed about my motor is when I had that rear main seal leak, I was only getting like 35% oil pressure. But I noticed when I started it up yesterday, it was at like 49. So I'm like, damn, that's kind of weird. Maybe when I did that, sealed that leak down there, it held the pressure. So it's starting to make sense to me. But shit, we just gonna get right to it, man. Y'all here for the first time, I appreciate if y'all like the video, subscribe, and comment or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the car for the people that's here for the first time. It's Nova again on Rucci wheels. So, and it's jacked up in the air right now. It's the winter time. I'm working on it. Should be at least ready to drive soon. Summertime ready. We're gonna get right to it, man. Let's get in the car. Start it up. Guess what, y'all? I put the dash back in. Put the dash back in. There we go. See, it looks a lot better than it did. Told y'all, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. These controls. I think I'm gonna take this off, man. Or I might put it back in. I don't know. But see, I'm starting to tuck all these wires. I ran all these wires this way. Yeah, because I'm gonna get a center console, so all these extra circuits I can use for some other things that I want to do in the future with this car. And I got a neutral safety switch problem. That's minor. So let me start it up for y'all and then show y'all the Dakota digital dash readings. All right, y'all, hold on for a second. Oh shit, I do that every time. The battery. Every time, y'all. And I be thinking something wrong with my car. Let me plug this battery up. Man, I'm so proud of my build, man. You know, I feel like I feel kind of, in the beginning, I ain't really know nothing about the car, man. I mean, about LS Motors, and I feel kind of like cheated. There's really didn't nobody tell me I had to learn on my own, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I learned on my own. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. So can't nobody never tell me, you know what I'm saying, what I gotta pay or what the fuck wrong, because I know how to diagnose my own motor. So I'm cool with that. That's why I went to school. Alright, anyway. Yeah, I had wired up the ignition and the fuel pump to constant power and loomed it. I just ain't tucked it yet. Put the air fuel ratio on there. The MAP sensor, And damn, where's my other little piece? I gotta put that back on there before I lose it. My little piece right here. I gotta put that back on there. Just like this. Make sure I tighten that up back on there. All right, we're gonna start this bad boy up for y'all. This is still a cold start too. Let's start it up. And see what the oil pressure look like, because that's important. And the Dakota dash readings and all that stuff. Let's see. So, I ain't got much to do, man. I'm gonna put my radio back in and I'm gonna tuck all of this stuff. I'm gonna tuck all of that. Let's see. See there? We have 14.9 oil pressure. We at 50. That's good oil pressure. Water, I gotta get that. I don't know what's going on with that water. I might not have that. I gotta get that plugged up. Get that reading. And we got the tach working. And it's running. Oh, the engine light is on because of the valve. No, not because of the O2 sensors. But I'm gonna show y'all it's running. Because of the O2 sensor. Let's shut it off. Okay, she running. And then y'all seen the oil pressure and all of that. So that's what I mean by, see, when I was running it, when I had the leak, it was only 30%. So I'm like, damn, ever since I fixed the leak, now it's at 50%. I'm like, damn. So I guess it matters when you have the motor sealed right. You know what I'm saying? You get more pressure out of your fuel oil pump. So the dash is working. Got the dash good. So I got the pedal in my truck, man. I still got to modify that pedal. But this is gonna be a short video, man. I was just letting y'all know that I got good oil pressure for my car, and the voltage is good. No more parasitic draw. Rewired all the wires in this car, man. I did all this shit myself, and I ain't done. I got a third brake light coming too, man. Yep, a couple of you guys was talking about that third brake light, but see, I know how to put my own in now. I don't need nobody. I don't have to pay nobody to do no brake light for me. I think it's in the back. Let me see. Let me show y'all my third brake light. Hold up, my bad. I ordered a third brake light. I'm gonna put it up here on this, up there on the window up there. Yeah, here go my third. This is the trunk. And I got some things I'm gonna do with this trunk. This is my third brake light right here. It's right here. It's gonna go up on the rear window. Yeah, these are wires here. Left turn signal and all that shit. Brake. I'll wire all that up. See, I ran all new wires. All new wires from that harness back here, man. All of them. I ain't playing. Ran all new wires. See that? All new wires. So all this old shit is gone. I'm pulling it. So I ain't gotta worry about my car stopping no more. You know what I mean? So all I need is some woodwork done. That's something I can't do. Shit. Some woodwork, like a center console and some lights. Well, I think I can run some lights. I go buy some lights and run them on under the seats and shit. if I want some lights. But let me show y'all how I wired it up. She run, y'all. We good. I can put it back together now. She going putting it back together. And I deal with turn signals and all that shit. I'm gonna take it to school and do that. But I want it to be able to run, because I can't leave it at school. I want to be able to drive it back and forth. So she fire up real good now. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I was a little skeptical when I bought that harness. Shit, I had bought it. I said, no, I gotta do it now. I done told y'all about it. So, yeah, these wires and all that shit, I'm gonna do that. Just wanna get this motor right. No leaks and none of that other shit. No, I ain't got no leaks. Let me see. I think I got a little gas leak or something right there. I'm about to tighten that up. But other than that, that rear main seal, when I sealed that up, that gave me good pressure, oil pressure. Yeah. So, and I got good voltage. So my wiring is correct because I got great voltage. So I think I did a pretty good job. So that's a good skill to have, man. You know how to rewire diagrams and wire cars and shit. Man, I always wanted to learn how to do that. Let's go down here and look at this rear main seal real fast before I cut y'all off. Go down, let me put some light up underneath here so y'all can see what kind of damage that I've done. My bad. Had y'all up in the air. If this thing is leaking, man, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Let me see. Show y'all what's going on. Uh-oh, we ain't got no leaks, man. Still no leaks. Smooth. No leaks. We good, y'all. We good. Okay. Oh, that's previous oil. Yeah, we good. Make sure ain't no leaking up there. No leaks. It's all dry. We ready, y'all. No leaks over here. We good. All right, let me get it from up here. I'll be ready to install this radiator soon. And I'm gonna wait till I get my electric fans, then I'm gonna install this here. So I ain't gonna probably do this and wait till the summertime. Give me 2 8-inch electric fans, put on there, and the way I can free up some space in here and possibly put a turbo one day. So I gotta free up this space. So it's all good, man. Let me get this light and show y'all my O2 sensors ain't even plugged up yet. Hold on. Okay, y'all, let me show you my O2 sensors. Not plugged up yet, but I do got some brand new ones. I ordered those. I'm gonna give y'all the part number. If y'all got this standalone harness, I ordered the right one the first time, man. I was shocked, shit. I ordered it off Amazon. I'm gonna tell y'all where I ordered my harness from. Y'all won't believe how much I paid for it, and it's running right. Shit, I didn't see the point of spending all kind of like $600 for a standalone harness. Shit, for a used motor. Shit, this harness works just as good. I ordered it off Amazon. Let me show you. Let me get y'all the pamphlet. And I ordered the universal harness off Amazon. Shit, for damn near $100. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm on a budget. Y'all may think I spent a lot, but I didn't. I ordered all my parts from Amazon, and Get my light fail. Okay, HPI, that's what it say on Amazon. Just type in standalone, LS standalone harness. And they really high performance injectors, and they sell standalone harnesses. And I guess it's an imitation of PSI, but it's pretty simple to plug up, man. It's just follow the directions. You know what I'm saying? It was easier for me because I just put this new harness in here, and it was, you know, it was so easy. So, and you only got to plug up. Only thing that was probably a little confusing is the relay for the fuel pump. That was a little confusing. So, I mean, if you scared of wiring, you just you know, get you a cramper and a spade connector and put it in there. So, and this is the, let me see, this is easy wiring. Easy Wiring. I ordered the universal chassis harness from Easy Wiring on Amazon as well, and they both did pretty good. I ain't got no complaints. This is my O2 sensors. They're not plugged up. I got the Delphi O2 sensors. You see the part number right there, ES20013. That's what you need for that that standalone harness. Cause you can fuck up and buy the wrong O2 sensor. You have to send it all the way back. I'll open it up for y'all. Show y'all what it looks like. You gotta make sure it's this one right here. They got the 4 connectors like that, 4 pin. Let's see how long this thing is. Damn, y'all, my bad. I ain't even opened the chest. See, I'm sharing with y'all. I'm opening it up for y'all, man. All right, let's sit it down right here. All right. Let's see how. I might be able to hook my own up. See, this it ain't that long, so I think I'm gonna have a muffler shop, you know, do it. It's not that long, and I don't want to screw nothing up. I'll take it to the muffler shop and have them install it for me. Cause I do got a step drill. It's in my toolbox at school. But it's all good. I might do it myself. I don't know how close to the manifolds I'm gonna be able to do it. See how further down. Let's see. I think I could be able to reach some pipe down there. But all right, y'all, man. Y'all seen the oil pressure, man. Y'all seen the voltage. That means I wired this bad boy up pretty good. Or, it's, you know, I wired it up, man. I did what I had to do. I'm out. Peace.
Banks on the track.